Okay, let's do this new video here, which is straight division method for 4 and more divisor digits. There are more digits here in divisor, and this is video number 11, part 4 of 4. I have divided this straight division video into 4 parts, and this is the last and fourth part. In this part, we discuss divisions where we have a larger divisors. All right, let's continue with next section here. In this section, we would discuss divisions where number of digits on divisors are at least 4 and maybe more. Okay, divisions with 4 and more digit divisors. Let's continue here. Okay, the problem is 8141098 divided by 89454. 89454 is equal to 90,000 minus 546, and I can represent that as 9 and bar 0 546. Okay, let's continue. A setup problem is, this is my dividend 8141098. This is my divisor 9 bar 0546. Okay, let's continue here. First thing we do is divide both the dividend and divisor by 10,000. Okay, we just did. So this is my remainder section, and this is my quotient section, and this is my, I move these digits, 4 digits on the flag. Okay, and we would divide by 9, and these corrections, we would compute the error caused by non-zero digits on flag, and we would adjust the next dividend accordingly. Let's continue here. Divide 81. I got 81 divided by 9 is 9, remainder 0. Okay, so I got 9, remainder 0. Let's continue. Error for the non-zero flag digits is, I got 9 here. We are dividing, multiplying, we are working from left to right. So I multiply this 9 with a negative 0, and adjustment for error in next column is 0. 0, negative 0 times 9 is 0. Okay, let's continue. So in next column, we have a 4 minus 0. This is the, I'm going to subtract this product here, and that gives me 4. 4 divided by 9 gives me 0, remainder 4. So I got 0 here and a 4 for the next column. Okay, now the 0, remainder 0 here. And next error for non-zero flag digit is, we had 9 and a 0, and I multiplied that with negative 0 and negative 5. That means negative 5 times 9 crosswise, and 0 times 0. Okay, that means negative 0 times 0 plus negative 5 times 9, and it's a negative 45. So this is the error. I'm going to subtract from 41 in next column. Okay, that means I would add 45 to 41. Okay, so next net dividend in the next column is 41 plus 45 is 86, and there we don't, no more divisions. We are trying to compute a remainder, answer in the form of quotient and a remainder, and after we get into remainder section, there are no more divisions. Okay, so we got in a 45 we just added, and it becomes, so far I have a, okay, this is how far we have achieved in the previous slide. Okay, now we have used both the quotient digits and only 2 digits of the flags. Okay, so we have used both the quotient digits, only used 0 and 5 so far. Okay, now that means we have to move the quotient digits along the flag digits to the right. Okay, so now align them 9 with the negative 5 and 0 with the negative 4. Okay, 5 and 4, and multiply this. 4, negative 4 times 9 is 36, and negative 5 times 0 is 0 crosswise. Okay, so that's my next adjustment is, uh, error is negative 36, and in next column I subtract this negative 36 from next column, which becomes 0 plus 36 equals 36. Let's continue here. So we got an A, we got this 36 and this 36 here. So far I have my Remainder is in thousands column is 86 and hundreds column it's 36. Let's continue. Now I would move 90 to the right again, so it will be aligned with the -4 and -6. Let's continue. Okay, now a -4 and -6. Okay. Next error for non-zero flag digit R is going to be crosswise -6 times 9 and -4 times 0. Okay. -6 times 9 is -54. So I would subtract -54 from next column. So 9 plus 54 is 63. So we get 50. Okay, so we get plus 54 and plus 63. Let's continue here. We drop, now we have used all the columns from the flag digits and all the columns from quotient digits, and we are going to the right. We will now drop a column on the left. We will be left with a -6 and a 0. Okay, and adjustment because that is 0. So so we would make an adjustment of 0 next column. That means 0 and 8. So this is my remainder so far. In thousands column I have 86, in hundreds column I have 63, and tens column I have 63, units column I have 8. Remainder is 8600 plus 3600 plus 630 plus 8. Okay, 630 plus 8 is 638, and add 3600, that gives me 4238. To that add 86,000, that gives me 90238. So it was 4238, 238 stays, and 4 gets added to 86. Okay. Okay, this is set up so far. Okay, let's continue here. Remainder is, we had 90238. Okay, and that would give me improper fraction. 90238 is more than 89,454. Okay. And 90238 in fact is equal to 89,454 plus 784. We'll extract a group of 89,454 and change that to one more in a quotient column, and remainder would be 784. We already had 90 groups of 89,454. We'll get one more group because 90238 is more than the divisor. Okay, continue here. So that means I would have 8141098 divided by 89,454 is 91, remainder 784. Let's consider another example here. Example is 5870476 divided by 912314. 4 decimal places. This is example I got from Vedic Math Academies, and Vedic Math Academy have this example in the relief letter for okay. Let's settle the problem here. So 5870476 is my dividend, and 912314 is my divisor. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, let's continue. So we divide both the dividend and divisor by 10,000. Let's continue here. We just did. I got a 12314, which was remainder from division, is on the flag, and these are my 70476. These are my the remainder section, and which is my fractional section here. Digits after decimal point goes right on this line here. Okay, so let's go divide. Would divide by 9. 58 divided by 9 is 6, remainder 4. Let's continue here. So we got 6, remainder 4. Now error for next column because of non-zero flag digits are, I got one column we are going from left to right, so 6 times 1, leftmost column is 6. Okay, 6 times 1. Okay, so that is so the next column I have 47 minus this error. I'm going to subtract the 6 here. Is 41. 41 divided by 9 is 4, remainder 5. That means I got a 4 here and remainder 5. Okay. Next error is I have 2 digits of the quotient, and I'm going to multiply with the 2 digits of the flag digits. Okay. So that give me 2 times 6 plus 1 times 4, okay, which is 16. Okay. Okay. So now I would subtract that from the next dividend position. 50 minus 4. 16 is 34. And 34 divided by 9 is 3 remainder 7. Let's continue here. So 3 remainder 7. Okay. Now I have 3 digits in the quotient, and I would multiply that with leftmost 3 digits of the flags. Okay, continue here. That would get me 1 times 3 plus 4 times 2 plus 3 times 6. Okay. 1 times 3, 3 plus 8 plus 18, 18 plus 8, 26 plus 3, 29. So, okay, okay, we had computed error of 29 for the next column. Okay. So next dividend in net dividend in next column is 74 minus 29, which is 45, and 45 divided by 9 is 5, remainder 0, but we will use 4, remainder 9. Okay, that's my altered remainder. That makes sure that the next digit we have in next column we are still working with the positive net dividend. Let's continue here. The 4, remainder 9. Okay. Next error for the flag is we have 4 digits in quotient, and we'll use the left 4 digits here. So it's 1 times 4 plus 2 times 3. 4 plus 8 is 12. 3 times 4, then another 12 here. Let's make sure 1 times 4 is a 4. 2 times 3 is a 6. 4 plus 6 is a 10, and then 4 plus 3 is a 12. 10 plus 12 is 22, plus 6 times 1 is 6, 28. Okay, so it's a 28 here. So 97 is the next dividend, and this is the error 28, and we would subtract that from the next dividend. Okay. Net dividend in next column is 97 minus 28 is 70, and 70 remainder divided by 9 is 7, remainder 7. Let's continue. So let's go 7, remainder 7. We already have 4 digits. We were looking for 4 digits, but let's continue to get the next digit just in case we need to up round it up. Okay, let's continue. Next error, because flag is non-zero flag is now get 1, 2, 3, 5 digits and 5 digits. We multiply 1, 2, 3, 1, 4 with the 6, 4, 3, 4, 7. Okay, and it's we only do the crosswise and vertically. Okay, okay, so it's 1 times 7 plus 2 times 4. 7 plus 8 is 15. Then 3 times 3, 9. 15 plus 9 is 24. Then 1 times 4 is 4. 24 plus 4 is 28. Plus 4 times 6, 22, 24. 28 plus 24 is 52. So got a error for next column is 52. Okay. Net dividend next column is 76 minus 52 is equal to 24, and 24 divided by 9 is 2, remainder 6. That means 2 is the next digit, and that is not high enough, so we can use this these 6.4347. Okay, we don't have to round it up. Okay. This is a lot smaller than 5. Okay, let's continue. So 5870476 divided by 112314 is 6.43. Exercises, find quotient and remainder. 6498914 divided by 71324. Let's continue. 6527735 divided by 67696, and some more. Some summary here. All Vedic math divisions use divide and conquer. Okay, let's see what's the divide here I'm talking about is. What's the divide? The method divides the given divisor into two parts. Okay, one part is divide by part, usually one digit, and adjust for part, and that's the rest of the divisor. Okay. So Tirthaji has a comment to the effect should have divided by 13 in one of the example. That means that if you feel comfortable, you can use two digits in divide by part. Let's continue here. Example, in divided by 3 4 4 5 6, we divide that into 3000 plus 456. Okay? In that 3000 is divide by part and 456 is adjust for part. Let's continue here. The method uses two-step division where we divide first by 1000, which is a natural base number, and second by 3, which is a proportionality here. 3000 is 1000 times 3, where 1000 is natural base number and 3 is the proportionality, followed by adjustment due to the adjustment part. Adjustment part is 456. Okay, when we use in transpose and apply method, we adjust for part by surplus, and in the straight division that makes the flag. Okay, let's continue here. In dividing by 5897, we can divide either as 5000 plus 897. In that case, we will use transpose and apply method with the surplus of 897. In straight division method, that would make the flag. 897 would become flag in the straight division method. Let's continue here. If you make the 5897 looks like 6000 minus 103, in that case we will use nickel method, and 103 would be the deficiency. In straight division method, flag data would be bar negative 103. Let's continue here. And my nickel division method has shown already that division used in reckoning number is nickel method with the proportional base numbers. Okay? So all the divisions are related and they go by divide in two parts and then divide by in two steps, first by natural base number and then by the proportionality. Proportionality may be 1. Okay, references here. So this is the usual reference we have, and the Vedic mathematics by Bharati Krishna Tirthaji is the one we used here. This is the main reference for this topic here. We have a Glover's books is a good reference, and we also use a Vanna Singles book. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.